Is Instagram not loading properly? Whether your feed won't refresh, stories aren't loading, reels won't play, or the app gets stuck on a blank screen, there are several troubleshooting steps that can help. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Instagram not loading in 2026. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try opening another website or app to confirm that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Close Instagram completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary loading issues and refresh the app's connection to Instagram's servers. If Instagram's servers are experiencing problems, the app may not load correctly. Check online outage reports or social media discussions to see if other users are experiencing the same issue. Using an outdated version of Instagram can sometimes cause loading problems. Open your device's App Store and install any available updates. On Android devices, clearing the Instagram cache can remove corrupted temporary files that may be causing the issue. This fix often resolves loading and performance problems. If Instagram still isn't loading, restart your phone or tablet. This refreshes system resources and can eliminate temporary software glitches. Sign out of your Instagram account and then sign back in. This can refresh your account session and resolve certain synchronization issues. If none of the previous solutions work, uninstall Instagram and install it again. Reinstalling ensures you have a fresh copy of the app and can fix deeper software issues. If the problem continues, use Instagram's help and support options to report the issue. Include details about your device, app version, and any error messages you see, and that's how to fix Instagram not loading. In most cases, checking your internet connection, updating the app, clearing the cache, or reinstalling Instagram will solve the problem. So work through these fixes one at a time, and you'll usually have Instagram working normally again in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching.